The physical and mental paradigms that we train with here as a studio definitely helped for having a fluid transition into training people virtually. Also really nice to be able to see more regularly some of the folks that have come to workshops of ours in the past from out of state, be able to see them as a regular class member every week. I definitely have been able to feel a sense of community with the virtual training studio because of having a regular group of folks to attend different classes, even feeling connected with folks that weren't in the physical studio beforehand, folks that were out of state that wanted to come to more classes or be a part of our community that couldn't. I've found that a lot of students have felt more comfortable to push their own boundaries or places of limitation or hesitation in their practice because they're in the comfort of their own home. So I've found that some folks have been breaking through some walls.